That's it for Vlogmas.
Why?
Good morning guys and welcome to Vlogmas day 15. As you can see, your girl is all dolled up and ready to go. Well, kinda sorta. We're supposed to be leaving out in like the next half an hour to go to Jameer's carol service, and I did a little get ready with me guys. I was just moving so fast I could not speak to y'all, but I'm going to include a short get ready with me featuring my outfit, jewelry and accessories, shoes, bags, you name it. I'm gonna get Jameer ready now and then hopefully we can leave shortly. So yeah, Jamie, want me? Bugsy, come along. So it's Christmas inspired colors. So of course he's wearing red today. Put in your foot, my love.
Why?
Thank you. Are you ready for your Christmas carol? You sure? You know the song?
I had to practice it a lot. And Mom had to practice my song at the church as well.
You practice it at the church? Wow guys, so we're gonna get to hear Jameer sing today, right? Yes or no? You're nervous? You don't need to be nervous.
I'm not nervous, I'm just smiling.
You're smiling, you're biting your nails. Usually when you bite your nails, that means you're nervous. So he's wearing this little red shirt. Like this color. Hands in.
Into the color of the red chaos emerald.
Red Chaos Emerald. Will that come in a Roblox?
No, it comes with Sonic.
Oh, in Sonic.
Yeah.
Alright baby, I'll button that for you. So he's all ready. This Christmas colors.
No, black and red.
Black and red. I'm gonna add a little cute bow tie, guys. Turn that way. Turn like this to mommy. So yeah, so I can talk to him. So I'm gonna add a little bow tie to tie the look together. What do you think about that?
I like it.
You like bow ties? This fit actually came with a tie, like the long ties. But that's gonna make him look too old. Like him a little cute bow tie. What do you think about that?
That's cool.
You like it? It's cool? It's so sweet. Come. So pants, check. Javi Wavi, Javi's ready already. Javi,
I don't like mine.
come here. Huh? So this is the bow tie I was mentioning. Javi ready already? Javi, show them your fit. Turn, my love. Turn. Turn. Jamie, not turning. Jamie, can put on your shoes, please.
I was just doing some there. Which one?
You doing a dab? The bigger one. Dab, let me see.
Which one?
There. When I say my dab, come over a little. Can't see it. Stand up right here. Perfect. Alright, hold on. Let me put this in.
Am I going to do another game?
I'm doing a dab today. It's hot out here, man. My button here. Next one. That's okay, it's comfy. That's what I'm about.
And it made me want to sleep as well.
Make you want to sleep? I'm not gonna button the top button, turn around, turn it back.
What top button?
The top button on the shirt. We don't want to choke you. So I'm not gonna button that top one. Yeah, I don't want it to be too tight around the neck. Ooh, how cute! You like it? I love it! You say I look like I'm gonna marry somebody. But I don't know, baby, I can't go marry somebody. Tell me what you think.
What is this for?
That's my bow tie.
Ooh.
Let's go put on your shoes. And head out. So we're gonna take some pics and then we're gonna head out, guys.
I know he's gonna marry.
Who's gonna marry?
Alright.
You're gonna marry her. Sit on the bench and put on your shoes. Give it to me.
You're already my girlfriend.
Yeah, but that don't mean you guys are married. You're too young for marriage. Sit.
Yeah.
You're a little bit too young to be married, my love.
Yeah, you gotta be bigger and bigger. Her don't love me and I am 5 years old.
So you think she's gonna love you when you're 50 years old?
What's 50?
5 and 0. When you're a grandpa, you think she's still gonna love you then?
I mean, I'm talking about 50 every to 60.
Yeah. What do you think about it? You think she's gonna love you when you're older? Okay. We'll see.
That is not that big. And not even that close.
Alright, stand up, let me see you guys. Go back a little. We're going to take some pics of the Christmas tree. Javi, give me this tablet. Stand up, let's see. Stand up. Alright, let's go take some pics of the Christmas tree. Stop doing that to your brother, come. Okay, say cheese, I handsome boy. Love it, okay.
And we're gonna get water, right?
Okay, alright, Javi.
No.
Don't run, my love. Don't run, Jamia. Can we have a program? Or them finished? No. Jamia. Come here. We're looking for hunting. We're looking for hunting. No extra chairs. We're so lame. I'm looking at the road.
Five of us.
In your finger. You were nervous? You don't have to be nervous, baby. You're going up there again. You don't have to be nervous, okay? Jesus is yourself. And the parking is hell, so let's see how fast we can get out of here. Come my love. That's all him care about. Come this way, Jamir. Jamir. That is it for our Carol service stint. How was it, Jamir? You had fun? Only if you get a gift. No, but I'm talking about your song. How was it? He didn't know most of the lyrics, but he did well, right? And he was dancing. You guys will see it, right, Jamir? That means you had fun. Jamir, you were singing?
John was singing the last one.
Yeah, you were singing the Spanish one. I'm gonna get you a gift. Don't worry yourself. All right, sit back and put your
seat. I thought he would not want to sing, but he was. The last time he would not sing.
Okay, sit back, baby. Seatbelt.
He didn't have any mouth.
Jamir, listen now. Okay, guys, so I'm making a quick little supermarket stop. As you can see, I've been looking mince. Oh, I need some oats. So I usually use this in my meatballs. Yeah, this should do. I'm gonna go check the freezer section if they have the mince, guys. Fingers crossed they do, because we'll have to make Jamir him spaghetti and him meatballs. So yeah, let's see. They have it. Yes, they do. Thank God. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. $5.95, and as you can see, them limited. Bad. Jamir, why you don't listen? Jamir, careful, my love.
That's what you get from yelling at me. Go for your own TV.
Guys, we're back home, and I'm making some tea.
Yeah, and then we're gonna make spaghetti on the best.
Yeah, Jamie wants us to make his spaghetti. As you can see, I got the ground beef. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep this, and Jamie is gonna help me make my meatballs, right? And if you know me, guys, I'm always drinking tea. I should be, visiting England with the Queen, but life had other plans for me. Okay? In your hot dough. Not gonna lie.
Where?
Inside here, no hot, you don't feel the heat.
No.
Alright, so the ingredients I will be using today. Oh lordy.
Yeah, but wait, guys. I think I'm gonna get some water.
So we have oats, which I'm gonna use as like one of my binding agents. I'm gonna rinse off the beef. I've seen people like legit wash their beef, like wash, strain, everything, and I'm like, is that not pushing it a bit? I usually just rinse it off and go ahead and season it up. But guys, let me know, do you legit wash and drain your beef? I guess that is kind of bloody, but it's not that serious, right? So I just run it under some water, and basically go ahead and let it stay for a couple minutes, and then I prep it. Yes, baby? So let's go ahead and mash out my beef. Think this is too much? I don't think so. This is not a lot.
Yeah,
I'm just smashing it out. It's still a bit frozen-ish. You think, Jamir?
It's good enough.
It's good enough? I mean, you will cook it either way, so whatever you know, it's will get,
Right.
Yes, and it's gonna be obliterated by the heat, so you don't have to worry about any impurities. Which is why a lot of people like thoroughly wash
you need to put it in.
No have time for that.
Mommy, turn to put it in right now in the garden because it got and then Mommy, we did put it in there for one to the put one bottle or one
Alright, so the seasonings that I'll be going in with is garlic season, black pepper.
Mommy, can I do black pepper?
Sure, my love.
And
Yeah, we use some adobo today. Alright, Jamir wants to do the honors. Jamir wants to help out.
Mommy, so what thing do we gotta pour for this or this or this?
It doesn't matter what goes first, my love. They're all being mixed up together.
Okay, I think I'm gonna pour the one first.
I think it should pour some black pepper first.
Which one? Is this black pepper?
That's Badia.
Is this black pepper?
No, look at it and read it. It's gonna say black pepper.
Is this black pepper?
Does it say black pepper on it?
I think so.
Okay, then you're gonna pour some in. So we're using this side, which is the sprinkle side. You're gonna take your time, pour some in. Pour, 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 pour. All right, Jamir, Jesus Christ. Murder for Samantha. Look how much black pepper the young man pour.
What is that?
Jamir, you want to eat it, you know? If it's peppery, how are you gonna eat it?
Oh. Oh, I don't want to.
If I got burn out your body.
Oh.
Alright, next we're adding some badia. Add badia.
Do we make it not that hot?
Yeah, badia is good. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Shake, shake, shake. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Shake, shake, shake. Shake until your ancestors say stop. Think that's good enough? What do you think?
Yeah. And we didn't do this one or this one, right?
So apparently, I don't know why, but the garlic powder, they keep hardening up. This is a new one that I got. And it's hardened.
How do we put this
This is
one?
the old one.
How do we put the
Still
one?
hardened. Yes, baby.
Do we put the one next?
Yes, that's adobo. So pour it in. So I'm literally have to go in with a knife. I don't know why it hardens. If any of you guys know how, why, what can I do to prevent it? Because I thought it was just something that I was doing. Or maybe it's the heat in the cupboard, I don't know. But it keeps hardening up, man. So I add enough garlic. I love my meatballs. Jamir! I see you just sneeze over the listen to me now. I'm not sneezing on my beef, you know.
Again, take extra delicious.
I don't think it's gonna taste extra delicious with your bag of sneezing. Did you put the adobo in it? Sprinkle some in it.
This?
Yes.
I did sprinkle some already.
Sprinkle some more.
Okay.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle till the ancestors say stop. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle till the ancestors say stop.
Oh, I don't know what.
So I already added garlic powder. Now I add some real garlic. Come do the knife. Adding some real garlic cloves. I want the clove to be exact. I don't know, as an adult I really like garlic and onions and them something in my food. Let me tell the boy them say all the little things them we hear them about them no want them no like onions in them food, garlic. When you're an adult, you're gonna love these things, my love. You're gonna learn to appreciate the, you know, overall effects of these seasonings. Cause they make the food taste real good. Alright, so go watch this. Jeremy, what you're doing? Go and entertain the people, please. Need to provide some entertainment.
It's quite sticky.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and smash, 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 smash. I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic. So I'm gonna mince it up fine, fine, fine. What, my love?
Okay.
You like garlic in your food?
What is this?
Garlic. You won't taste it. It's gonna be cooked out. So you don't have to worry about tasting it. Okay?
Okay.
Did you know we're at Vlogmas Day 15?
No.
What? How did you not know? Javi, did you know we're at Vlogmas Day 15, my love? How did you know? Jamir?
No, you did 14.
Yeah, we did 14 yesterday. Today is 15.
Guys?
Come over here if you have something to say about guys. You want to hear over here about guys?
Guys! Guys! Anna? Joining the cooking thing because I'm playing one game right now.
That's all he's
See
doing.
you guys!
Play a game. Alright, Jammer, I think this is okay now.
Okay, above the pepper. I'm gonna put it away.
Good. You afraid of the pepper?
I'm getting cute bottle.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this aside and let it go and simmer. And let the seasoning soak in. And then we're going to come back and chef it up as usual. But guys, let me know how you've been loving the Vlogmas series so far. We're at day 15. Can you believe it? We have 10 more days to go until Christmas. You know, because we're doing 25, so we're at day 15, so that means we have 10 more videos to go. How you like that?
Video?
Yes, just 10 more, Jamir. What do you think? Yes, you guys are up for 10 more videos? And then that's it.
That's it for what?
That's it for Vlogmas.
Why?
Because we only committed to 25 videos.
No, I'm open till 25.
You agreed to 225? That means you are going to vlog 25 then, guys? Jamir is going to take over the camera and he's going to vlog 25 more days for you. Right?
Mommy?
Yeah.
Can you open this, please?
Sure, no problem.
Gimme!
Open it from the top like this. Alright guys, so come back.
Hi viewers, I just made 25 more episodes and 25 more episodes of Vlogmas, so yeah, don't be mad, okay? I don't like it, okay? I just saw my mother want to see nothing.
Talking about Vlogmas.
Yeah?
So you're going to make 25 videos, you sure? How are you going to do that?
Yeah, like more Vlogmas. Or maybe 100, yeah.
Okay.
100 more days. Then I can stop.
Okay. We'll see about that.
No, we won't.
We won't see about that. That's what you say, we won't see about that.
Yeah. About that. Yeah, we are doing a video. Bye. Meatballs. There are balls of meat. And there's some that are fried.
Those are the meatballs.
They're burned.
This is Jamir who said he was going to come help me cook. Stop touching the food. This is Jamir that said he was coming to help me cook. Oh no, why you didn't come to help me make the meatballs?
Oh, I was so busy.
You're busy doing what?
Watching?
Watching your tablet? Oh my goodness.
I was that busy. Mommy, do we put these into the spaghetti?
Yes, we're going to put them in the spaghetti when we're done. Leave them. Alright guys, so for my roux, I've added some pasta water, ketchup, vinegar, all of the seasonings that I added before, and I'm gonna add some ragu. And this is a traditional sauce, so I'm just gonna add all of this. gonna turn up the heat a little so it can bubble, bubble, bubble. And it's looking very rich so far. I'm hoping you can't hear me because Jamie have him tab in here. So this is the sauce. Very rich. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop them in. Along with these. I'm putting them in the sauce, my love, so I'm almost finished. Careful, careful. Let me say all in one to the sauce.
Mama, which one is mine?
That's mine, my love.
Okay, then I got the switcheroo.
Alright, sure, no problem.
The switcheroo. Yeah.
Here's it.
Lovely, wait. I'm gonna watch one Johnny video really quick.
I watch one Johnny video, then you're gonna go?
Scooch over, my love.
I'm gonna make
Javi, come and have some food.
today.
Javi's not a fan.
Whatever. We don't care.
Right, so we're gonna do a taste test.
Wait, let me go on Johnny video.
So you have to put on some watch first. What are you doing here? I thought you said your mommy coming.
No,
You? So what did you there?
yeah.
Oh wow.
Hi, Jamir.
Hi.
We just made spaghetti and meatball.
Let me
Taste it. Taste and tell me what it is.
Jamir, get
Take your time, my love. It's hot. It's hot. Hot.
That's what I'm gonna do. Blow it.
You want some? Man? You can taste, man. Mmm.
So, Jamir, I'll see you weekend.
Okay, hi.
How does it taste? Bye. Good? You have to rate it. Rate it out of 10.
Okay.
So how does the spaghetti taste? Taste the meatballs first. He hasn't had the meatballs. Alright, so we're going to taste the meatballs and the spaghetti because you have to put it together to get like the full effect. Alright, my love, I'm going to cool it for you. What do you think? How much you rate it out of 10?
I 2,000 out of 10.
2,000, that's so good. It's really good, guys. Not gonna cap. Like the meatball is just so moist and delicious. I mean, the spaghetti is spaghetti. It is what it is. Jamie, you have to cool it, my love. Cool it! I'm picking on onion cool food.
I keep calling it, but it's too hot. I keep calling it, but it's too hot.
Look, I'm being at Santa. But you're gonna take this off, okay? Sorry, but I gotta take it off.
Yeah, look how nice it looks on me. Way better.
Jamie's thoroughly enjoying his spaghetti and meatball.
I'm not having a wedding.
He's been asking me for this for ages, right?
Look at my screen.
Okay, Daddy, I'm gonna scoop you. Okay, I will.
As usual, I like
Try to
that.
get me.
So I'm done cooking. Jamir is in love with my meatballs. As you guys can see, gave it a 10 out of 10, right, Jamir? He didn't ask for seconds, but we have more for later. I know I'm gonna devour it later. Daddy also ate. Javi don't eat. Javi is very picky. So what you gonna eat, Javi? Want a sandwich or something? I'll probably make him a sandwich. What else? I was trying to. I attempted to play Roblox with them. Roblox. But it not going so good. I'm not a gamer. I never have been, never will be. And now I am beat, so I'm pretty much gonna take a look nap. Take a look at 5 or a look at 10 because I'm so tired. And then later on, what do I have to do later on? That's a thing. So I'm just gonna take the rest of the day to myself. Oh, I have to go make some calls, guys, because I'm trying to find a hanger or clothing rack for my pieces. I already have one, but I feel like one isn't gonna hold up this event. Seeing that I want to take some more pieces, because I'm basically treating this like a blowout event. So I want to take basically all of my pieces that I have left in inventory and just try to get rid of it for 2024. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I checked Azans. I saw some in Azans, but them never too sturdy. Somebody said to try this store that is on Oasis Plaza. I need to go down there. The only other place that I'm considering is Jung's Home Center, and that's in Portmore. I don't know if I'm gonna reach Portmore, but I don't know. And you guys won't see this until it's too late. You guys will see this after the event, so I can't even ask you guys for suggestions. But for future, let me know where I can find like home essentials such as like racks, hangers and stuff like that. Places that you can actually vouch for that has good quality stuff, because that's my problem. Like I have a lot of places that sell these things and the quality is so poor, like I'm not gonna buy that. So guys, that's the plan for today. I'm gonna make a couple calls and see if we can find anything. But I'm just gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day 15, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 16. Alright, say bye boys.
Bye.
Where are you? I can't see you.
Come here, I'm gonna meet you, John.
You have to cover on.
No, Darren.
Come around and say bye.
Darren, get on.
Say bye.